Why does ChatGPT sometimes nail your question and sometimes go completely off the rails? Here is the real answer. Hi, I'm Alexey, an AI expert with over 10 years of enterprise software experience. I break down AI so you can use it better, faster, with real understanding. Here is what really happening behind the scene. AI doesn't generate the full answer at once. It generates it token by token. Once it sees your input, it passes it through layers of neural network trained on a huge amount of data. And at each step it asks, what is the most likely next token in this context? It assigns probabilities to each option. Say your sentence is, I'm going to the model might think, to the store, 70%, to gym, 20%, to the moon, 5%. Then it picks one, it does the same thing again, over and over. That's how it builds text, not by knowing the meaning, but by calculating what fits best statistically. So here's the tip. If you have a vague prompt, the model has too many options, and you get generic or weird reply. But if you give it a clear setup and structure, it locks in faster and gives you much better result. But here is a twist. The model doesn't treat each word equally. It actually focuses just like we do when reading. And that's where the magic of attention comes in. Check the next video in the comments.